we were able to look at catchments which were grassland and across a gradient of being invaded by wattle. And it's had some very interesting and concerning impacts. Restoring back these ecosystems are not easy,
right,
because wattle is an acacia and it's also a nitrogen fixing tree. So the proliferation of wattle all over the upper Nilgiris has resulted in increasing the amount of nitrogen in the soil.
These species actually make the environment more conducive for themselves, right? That's why they're invasive.
And biogeochemically, it's now a transformed system. And so restoring back something that was 100 years ago, 50, 70, 80 years ago, may not be that easy.
So if you can never get back to the past, what should be goals of restoration then?
So the goals of restoration, I think, should be based on realistic understanding of how people and other biodiversity and livestock, other stakeholders are engaging with the current conditions. I think that restoration to some so-called original pristine state is difficult and maybe undesirable in some places because of new stakeholders coming in, new types of lock-in into livelihoods, even in places like Banni.
This is the Banni grasslands in Gujarat,
yeah.
which has been taken over by Prosopis, and the community has basically gotten dependent on the Prosopis.
Some folks in the local community who earlier used to graze cattle and other livestock have also now using Prosopis to make charcoal and so on.
So what was a dairy economy based on grasslands becomes a charcoal economy, which is based on Prosopis.
Yes.